Understanding Dropshipping. Hey everyone, welcome back to Major Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping. Is it a real, working platform? How does it work? And what are some tips and tricks for success? Let's get started. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you, the seller, never handle the product directly. So, how does dropshipping work? Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Customer places order. A customer places an order on your online store. 2. Forward order to supplier. You forward the order details to a dropshipping supplier. 3. Supplier ships the product. The supplier prepares and ships the product directly to the customer. 4. You keep the profit. The difference between what the customer paid and what you paid the supplier is your profit. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of dropshipping. First, the advantages. 1. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory. 2. Easy to start. It's relatively easy to set up a dropshipping business. 3. Wide product range. You can offer a wide variety of products without maintaining stock. 4. Flexible location. You can run the business from anywhere with an internet connection. And the disadvantages. 1. Low margins. The competition is fierce and profit margins are typically low. 2. Inventory issues. You rely on suppliers to keep stock, so you might face issues like stock shortages. 3. Shipping complexities. Multiple suppliers can lead to complicated shipping logistics and costs. 4. Quality control. You have little control over the product quality and delivery time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you succeed in dropshipping. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche to target a defined customer base. 2. Select reliable suppliers. Research and choose reliable suppliers with good track records. 3. Build a strong brand. Develop a strong brand to stand out from competitors. 4. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly and optimized for conversions. 5. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to retain customers and encourage repeat purchases. 6. Market your store. Use social media, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. 7. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your sales data and optimize your store and marketing strategies accordingly. 8. Test products. Continuously test and add new products to find what works best for your audience. Several platforms can help you get started with dropshipping. Some of the most popular ones include 1. Shopify. Offers integrations with dropshipping apps like Oberlo, Spocket, and AliExpress. 2. WooCommerce. A WordPress plugin that supports various dropshipping plugins. 3. BigCommerce. Another robust e-commerce platform with dropshipping integrations. That's it for today's video on dropshipping. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Major Tech for more content like this. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.